So coming back to the newer pack then, brand new pack, so let's see what's inside this. So open it up. Wow, that's nice, nicely packed there. And first thing first pops out is the horseshoe mount, and then it comes in a packet like that. Looks nice there. Manual to accompany this thing, and then we have also got the diffuser thing, basically diffuses the flash. So taking it out of the box then, I can get rid of that for now. You see on the background, there it is, if you want to have a look. Before opening this as well, if we want to read the label here, it has got a lot of information. So as you can see there, GN is 58, says zoom, rear curtain sync, and it's AF, so mult. It can be synced with your PC. It has got optical control as well, and basically it can connect it to a remote, I guess. It takes 4 times AA batteries. And then that sign, I'm not 100% sure, but we'll figure it out soon. So manual. Manual, always read the manual, that's what they say. Pro quality amateur prices, and it's just basically a thank you letter to say that I've purchased this off Neewer technology. So that's the leaflet there. Let's do it this way, so that can stay at the back. This is the box that lets us open. Stay up there. And basically a manual, a user manual, it says in English on the top. Basically a lot of languages in there. So and if you find that black, it's in English. If you find that grey, that's in Japanese maybe. So going to the black tab, which is there, instead of going to the grey one, you start somewhere. And there you go. So basically it's a thank you letter with all the information. So opening of the flash, comes out of the box, new packaging, taking it out for the first time. Yeah, got the serial number, 6 volt, made in China. Screen have got some screen protector on there. Same again, the red receiver side has got the same thing. So this can basically go from that angle all the way to slightly over 90 degrees as well. Battery compartment there, opens up. That's where 4 batteries go. AA batteries. And then button there, possibly power button. And then this whole thing mounts on the camera. So it comes to this way. So that's the flash, and obviously at the top as well, you've got this. Which can be used as diffuser. That bit stays at the top. The diffuser bit can come down, and then you can use it that way, or you can use the direct flash and put it in there. So basically how it looks. And then push it in there, which is inbuilt, which is really good. Happy with that. And then it can go on the horseshoe mount as well. Can't stand on the mount. There we go. Individual mounted. Starting on this horseshoe mount. There you go. Happy with that. Now let's move and do unboxing for other stuffs. you get normally. Look like camera, holder, and diffuser. The whole package you get when you buy this Neewer product. Not the best video, probably. Apologies for that, but yeah, this is what you get. There's the flash unit.